Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for June 4th, 2012. It is currently 7:16 a.m. and for most of the northern mid-Atlantic, skies are cloudy with a few scattered showers rotating through the region from north to southeast. We do have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over portions of Connecticut and mid to upper 50s over the rest of the region, lower 60s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. For the most part, these temperatures are not going to move all that much, generally in the mid to upper 60s for most locations, lower 60s right along the immediate coast. And that's because of a marine air mass that is being built into the northern mid-Atlantic this morning. Let's take a look at the latest infrared satellite picture. You can see exactly what's happening here. An upper level low is starting to get itself organized off of the New England coast. And you can see the storm starting to really get its act together and transporting a tremendous amount of moisture from the northern Atlantic into the Canadian Maritimes and northern New England. Some of this moisture is wrapping back around through the northern mid-Atlantic in a cyclonic flow, sending disturbances through the region and thus the threat for scattered showers. Now, this upper level low will continue to intensify through the week and slowly lift to the north and east, and that's going to force disturbances that are currently over the western Great Lakes to rotate through the region through this week, producing the threat for scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms each afternoon. So for the most part, we can pretty much expect unsettled weather conditions on through this week. Today is the coolest day of the work week as temperatures moderate back up into the 70s and eventually into the 80s for this weekend. When we take a look at the latest radar, you can see the bulk of the steady rain is currently up in Maine and portions of New Hampshire and Vermont. But we could see some of the disturbances wrapping around, moving through the Mohawk River Valley, down through the Hudson River Valley, and into northeastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey. And another batch of showers exiting off the New Jersey coast. And that's pretty much what we can expect for today, is that these round of disturbances rotating from north to southeast through the day. Now, if you're going to the Mets game today in the afternoon, there will be a threat for showers, but it won't be a total washout. So be prepared for a few scattered showers, cool weather conditions. However, I think that the game will be played. Just expect some delays from time to time with these showers. So that's pretty much the weather pattern for today on through the rest of this week. Now let's take a look at the latest European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website, an excellent website for model guidance. And you can see for this evening, our upper level low has developed. We're on the backside of the upper level low with a series of disturbances rotating through the northern mid-Atlantic, and again, keeping the threat for showers in the forecast. Tomorrow, that upper level low slowly lifts towards the northeast or the Canadian Maritimes. Again, we're going to be under the threat for a few scattered showers, but temperatures will be a little bit warmer in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Moving on through the rest of the week as we head into Wednesday, our upper level low continues to lift slowly towards the Canadian Maritimes. We continue to remain under threat for scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, but temperatures are even warmer, now in the lower to mid 70s for most locations, upper 70s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And as we head towards the end of the week, temperatures will continue to moderate as our upper level low and trough continues to lift to the north and east, as a ridge starts to build over the plains and the Ohio River Valley. Now, by the end of the week, the threat for showers will be relatively low, only isolated showers and thunderstorms expected by Friday. Temperatures will rebound into the lower to mid 70s along the coast, mid to upper 70s over the interior. By this weekend, though, well, temperatures are really going to warm up as an upper level ridge builds into the northern mid-Atlantic. Temperatures return once again into the lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior and along the urban corridor, especially the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Important note, look at the winds at the mid-levels returning to the southwest. That means that basically humidity will take a nice rebound by this weekend. And as we head towards the rest of next week, a powerful heat ridge will start to take hold over much of the eastern United States, leading to temperatures rebounding into the mid to upper 80s for highs throughout the region and a marked increase in humidity. So if you're looking for the hazy, hot, and humid weather conditions, get through this week, and then this weekend on through next week should deliver those conditions. That's your forecast for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.